How to post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. So if you want to post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time, then what you need to do is you just need to make some adjustments or some settings in your account center. So first, you just need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now if you upload something on your story or on your post, then it will automatically upload that on your Facebook also. But in order to do that settings, what you need to do is you need to simply go for your profile, which will be on the bottom right. Tap on your profile, go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon, and you need to go for the account center. Once you're here on the account center, you will have all of these options, right? You need to simply go for the option of connected experiences, and under connected experiences, go for the first option, which is sharing across profiles. And under sharing across profiles, here you will have an option of add accounts. Right here I have two accounts, which is I have already linked my Instagram account to the Facebook account. So if you have this, like if you have added or if you have linked the Facebook and Instagram both, then you'll be able to post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. But if you have not, then you can simply go for add accounts, and under add accounts you can go and add Facebook account, or you can also add an Instagram account. So once you've added, your post will be added to both the accounts. So that's how you can post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.